Are you looking for the best TKL keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best TKL keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DrunkDeer G65 TKL Keyboard. Rapid trigger smoothly adjusts key actions and allows mid-motion repeats without fixing the actuation point. It provides faster response than traditional keyboards, giving you an edge in FPS and rhythm games such as Valorant. Asus. Adjustable actuation distance. With an actuation range of 0.2 to 3.8 mm, magnetic switches can be adjusted to meet your need, offering different kinds of pressing tactile for gaming or typing. Program 2 different actions to the same key for powerful gaming. Working shortcuts. Continuous actuation. The never miss function is a function that allows a speedy and no miss trigger. Quickly and repeatedly triggering the same button is a very important function for gamers. Faster and more frequent triggers. 10 times faster than the traditional mechanical keyboard. Available for macOS and Windows. Available in black and white without keycaps. Number 2. DrunkDeer G65 TKL Keyboard. With an actuation range of 0.2 to 3.8 mm, magnetic switches can be adjusted to meet your needs, offering different kinds of pressing tactile for gaming or typing. Continuously active and instantly deactivated. Perform an immediate accuracy in FPS games. Patented shock-absorbing structure. Provides a comfortable key striking feeling without affecting the internal space. Magnetic switch provides a 100 time key striking life, which is 2x of the traditional ones, eliminating most friction and noise. Only the smooth linear typing tactile remains. The structure space brings more possibilities of switch types like clicky or tactile. Number 3. DrunkDeer A75 Pro Keyboard. Provides comfortable key striking feeling without affecting the internal space. Continuously active and instantly deactivate. Perform an immediate accuracy in FPS games. With an actuation range of 0.2 to 3.8 mm, magnetic switches can be adjusted to meet your need, offering different kinds of pressing tactile for gaming or typing. PBT translucent keycaps with 18 color lighting for a more exciting gaming experience. Magnetic switch provides a 100 time key striking life, which is 2x of the traditional ones, eliminating most friction and noise. Only the smooth linear typing tactile remains. The structure space brings more possibilities of switch types like clicky or tactile. Number 4. Akko MONSGEEK M3 DIY Kit TKL Keyboard. While M3 Silver comes with golden accent, MONSGEEK has picked the new silver accent on other models. MONSGEEK will start to offer standalone accents for sale to better personalize each unit based on user preference. The south-facing PCB of the M3 avoids causing interference with cherry profile keycaps, offering more compatibility and flexibility. M3 offers approximately 18 preset backlight modes, which allow users to adjust the brightness and flowing speed levels. Moreover, it supports a wide range of RGB effects, with over 16.8 million colors available. Users can also install an upcoming JSON file to access even more lighting effects and configurations. The N-key rollover technology allows all keys to work simultaneously and ensures every keystroke is recorded and prevents ghosting. M3 QMK version has adopted the new engraved back design with resized sticker for aesthetics purposes. MONSGEEK M3 supports VIA for cross-platform, Linux/Windows, advanced keyboard configuration. Number 5. Asus ROG Strix Scope RX TKL Keyboard. ROG Ranger RX TKL wireless keyboard is designed for FPS games, with the third mock examination connection function. ROG RX optical mechanical axis, widen control key, PBT keycap, or a sync RGB, magnetic palm rest and aluminium alloy panel. The third mock examination connection function. Use Bluetooth registered. Up to 3 devices can be connected simultaneously and quickly switched. Choose 2.4 GHz wireless mode and enjoy a low latency gaming experience of up to 76 hours. or use a standard wired USB connection. RX optical mechanical axis. The RX red axis and RX blue axis have centralized RGB lighting effects, providing complete lighting effects for each independent button, achieving a stable and consistent shaking-free knocking experience and low delay rebound. Suitable for FPS, TKL configuration is used to reserve more desktop space and facilitate mouse operation. Also includes an ultra-wide control key, easy to hit. Dual-color transparent PBT keycap, provides a solid touch and long-lasting durability. Also available in ABS versions. Durable frosted aluminium alloy structure.